Safety is on the mind of a lot of parents right now as kids get ready to head back to school, from the bus to the backseat of your car. There is guidance for parents and passengers to follow. NBC5's Yunie Martinez explains.
It's important that we are educators and that parents go away feeling empowered to handle their child passenger safety needs.
As families gear up to travel to and from school for another year, one crucial aspect of back-to-school preparation that might get overlooked is car seat safety.
There are 4 phases. First, for infants and toddlers, they're rear-facing in their car seat, and then at some point they are forward-facing in a harness. Then they move to a booster seat, and then they're in a seatbelt.
If your child is younger than 5, the American Academy of Pediatrics suggests keeping your child in a car seat until they reach the seat's height or weight limit.
That when we transition children in their car seats, we actually lose a layer of safety and protection, and so we want to stop and think, let's wait until they can no longer, based on weight.
The best way to determine if your child meets the seat's requirements, experts say, is to look for the label located on the side of the car seat.
On the side of the seat, it's going to give a weight and a height for the maximum use of that seat, from minimum to maximum.
As of July 1st, Vermont has revised law related to child passenger safety. Kids younger than 8 years not in a harness car seat must use a booster seat, and kids under 13 years old should always ride in the back seat whenever practical.
We want to wait until they have really outgrown that phase, or they've really outgrown that car seat, and then move them to the next phase.
Whenever installing a car seat, technicians advise that the seat is securely installed and does not move more than an inch side to side or front to back. In South Burlington, Yunie Martinez, NBC5 News.